What if fibre is already installed at your property? Maybe the previous owner or tenant has already had the work done. Then fibre could just be a phone call away. How do you know if fibre has already been installed? If you're about to move into a new house, tell your broadband provider a couple of weeks before moving day that you'd like fibre for your new place. They'll let you know if the house has already been hooked up. If you've already moved in, have a hunt around for your ONT. That's the optical network terminal. The ONT is a small white plastic box that'll be placed on an internal wall somewhere discreet. Boom, here's ours right here. Next, make sure your ONT is connected to an undamaged power adapter. The power adapter should look like this one, and the wires should be in a good condition. Don't use any sort of other cable. It could damage your ONT. If your power cord is missing or damaged, you can order a new one here. If the ONT looks like it's been taken off the wall accidentally, contact your broadband provider. If it looks like it's all in working order, let them know you've already got a fibre connection installed and you'd like to activate your connection. They'll send you a modem if you don't already have one. When you've unwrapped it, just follow the instructions that come with it to set up your home Wi-Fi. If you can't see any lights, double check your power adapter is plugged in. You could also check the power outlets are actually working. If there's still no lights, the wrong lights are green, or you're seeing red, tell your broadband provider that your ONT seems to be faulty, and they'll work with us to sort it out. Done! You're all set and super connected.